I'm Marco. I've spent years editing roads on Google Maps, and today I'm sharing my experience with you, from basic edits to complex tasks and point scoring. We are covering it all. So, are you ready? Let's start! From your mobile, choose Google Maps, open it and select Contribute on the bottom right. Now update road, then missing road. Look for a place where you think you can add or edit a new road. When you find it, simply tap on Add First Road. Move with your fingers to the starting point of the roads and move till the end of the road. Now click Add. When you are finished, simply tap on Done and choose Local Roads. When you have finished this moment, click Done and hurrah! You add a new road. From the desktop, open Google Maps, select Edit the map and Add Fix a Road. Now you can look for a place where you can edit or add a road. In case we want to connect this two roads, one point now. So we choose Add Road with the mouse, click on the starting point and then follow the road. Please be very careful and try to click the middle of the road. Need simply zoom in the road. When you have finished, just add a local road, click Done, then Submit and Done. If you want, you can keep doing the process to add the new roads, or you can check how it was to work. In this case, you can simply see that there is an orange dotted line. This is your road that is waiting for approval. So, congratulations, you've done your first road. What will happen now? You will receive an email from Google to let you know your work has been received and is being processed for accuracy. Once your edit meets Google's accuracy standard, your work will be published for everyone to see. The whole world will now benefit from your contribution. So, thank you for making the difference.